Post-its or sticky notes can be the best invention ever, and they can be the worst pain in the neck, depending on how you can make it work for you. If you want to act and look like a sticky note pro, then this innovation training is for you. It's about how to use post-it notes for workshop facilitation or any other usage, quite frankly. And in this session, I'm going to share with you my 6 secrets that I wish I'd known before I was starting a decade ago with workshop facilitation, workshop design, and also have a usage myself. There are 6 magical tricks that save you time and, quite frankly, sanity. So let's get started. Hi, I'm Hedi, founder of Hedi's Innovation Gym and your innovation trainer. If you're new to this channel, subscribe. It's all about training your innovation muscles with design thinking, agility, working methods, hacks, and much, much more. Hit the bell to get notified each time I post a video, which is Tuesdays, and let's get to it now. So as I promised, here are my personal 6 magical tricks considering Post-its. Number 1. Time is money, as we all know, and it's super annoying if we have to engage in this very famous opening a new stack of Post-it procedure where it's all like glued together in plastic and you're kind of like trying to focus on what your participants are saying and trying to open this thing and it's just not opening. What you can do instead, you take the Post-it like a pro and you pop. This is how a new Post-it, you can even do it with one hand, kind of. Open it, get rid of the plastic, and there it is. Number 2. So did you ever experience that you came back from, I don't know, a night off from your work, happens sometimes, or like a week, and then you come back, you look at your surface and your Post-its are gone. They're not gone, but they're all on the floor, like leaves which have fallen from the tree. Then my guess is you probably use either super cheap sticky notes, we'll come to that later, or you tore your beautiful new Post-its from bottom to top like this, creating like a little wave with little surface to stick on, and then during the night some wind came and then it fell off. Ouch. So what do you need to do when you use Post-its? You need to tear them from the side so the surface is you maximize the surface, and so you maximize the lifetime of your Post-its and also your work that you put into that. There you go. Number 3. Well, of course you can use any kind of pen when you're just writing stuff down for yourself, like doing a to-do list like now and then keeping it for yourself. But if you're using them in a workshop setting, really think twice. Why? Because you want people to share their ideas, you want to share knowledge, you want to exchange. So sharing knowledge means communication, and good communication means sending and receiving information in a super crystal clear way. Not so crystal clear, right? So especially if you have like multiple Post-its floating around, you want to be extra cautious about it and extra super clear. What to do? Use pens that are visible. And by meaning visible, I mean use darker color on light Post-it so you can actually see it and not like this. This is fun. Yeah, I can't see it, right? So yellow on yellow, pink on pink, blue on blue, not such a good idea. And also not the thick ones. I prefer these ones, the below ones, 68, not the thinner ones, because then again you won't see. But also not the thick ones, because some people who are also not used to it, and I really don't like it as well, they start to write and then they actually want to write creation and then yeah, run out of space. So these ones are the best bet, and the darker ones especially. And number 4, building on what we just previously said, use the right pens to be visible and be crystal clear. Can you read this? Let me know in the comment section below if you can. Probably not, huh? Can you read this? Yeah, treehouse. So capital letters work magic. But it's even more magical if you are adding a visual, because visuals, according to research, gives you the possibility to transport your message over 70% better than just writing. And also, I mean, we all have different ideas and different experiences and different images in our heads. So you might as well make crystal clear what you actually meant, because I didn't mean like a normal treehouse, which is on top, but I meant like in the trunk. So you must be super crystal clear on what you actually mean, and visuals are great to do that. And number 5, use color coding. Post-its are supposed to make your life easier, not make it more messy and make it more overwhelmed. People hate it because of that, and I can totally understand. So please make them work for you. And the way you do it, well, yeah, color coding is a real game changer. For instance, if you, I don't know, if you want to receive feedback, give out green color for I love, and red or pink in this case for things to improve. And then you already have it pre-organized, and you can just cluster them according to the color, which is super neat and saves you a lot of time and energy. Or also what you can do with color coding, you can give each team member their favorite color so you can track it, and it is more like a sort of a game. I don't know if you do that, but when we play, we always ask, what kind of color do you want to play with? So color coding is fun and makes a lot of sense. And number 6 is size and brand does matter, you all. I have facilitated workshops where I had these tiny, tiny post-its, and when you would peel them off, you would always tear them off because the glue was so super sticky that it wouldn't leave the post-it stack. So really invest some of your money into great post-its. I can absolutely, I'm not sponsored, recommend the 3M post-its. And they even have an eco version, so you don't feel so bad using all these paper, all this waste. Also, size matters a lot. As I said, they shouldn't be smaller than that, I think, because otherwise you can't use them properly. You can't put any ideas on them, and you just like, it's just a hassle and everybody hates it. And that's not what you want. You want to improve the communication, and it's all about speed, and fun matters as well. And everyone in the workshop love these big ones, because with these you can actually highlight the topic. You can use a bigger pen, by the way. So topic, and then below that you can cluster all your ideas with a little icon. Alrighty, my friend, that's it for today. I really hope that these 6 magical tricks will improve your life as a workshop facilitator, as a post-it sticky note user, or getting started with sticky notes like a pro. For the different sizes, I will put down a link below in the description box, so you can just click on them and buy them straight away. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and comment below, and subscribe if you haven't done so. Hit the bell to get notified each time I post a video, and see you next time for another innovation training. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.